Pivot and Go, the 29-day mindset blueprint to redefine and achieve your success. Now, Pivot and Go is set up on 29 days because it takes 28 to form a habit. And habits are great, routines, yes, but we want to make it a lifestyle. And day 29 is your choice to make it a lifestyle and a rhythm, achieving your success. Now, Pivot and Go is a blueprint action plan, step-by-step process, taking 1% daily steps to help you get on that journey, to help you enjoy that journey towards your success. It's basically like a tool book that you can use and go through to make sure that you are on the correct path. And it's been endorsed by some great people. John Gordon, one of the top-selling New York Times best-selling authors, Corey Close, one of the top female basketball coaches in college basketball from UCLA, Eric Spoelstra, a two-time NBA head coach champion, Lewis Howes, a New York Times best-selling author, and many more. And the book has been selling to companies like Dell, Intel, Four Sigmatic for their employees to help them pivot out of this crisis, to colleges, Hawaii, Yale, Oregon, many more, to help their student athletes, both male and female, be able to look forward to what's coming next, pivot out of the college mindset to what's coming next. Even high schools, like Oaks Christian High School in California, one of the most prominent high schools, has been on board with Pivot and Go. And we've all felt stuck. In some situation, all felt stuck, especially now in this time, this life, this world that we're going through. And Pivot and Go will help you pivot your perspective, a slight turn in your perspective that can change your entire perspective. It's a very powerful book, and it will help you take the steps necessary to achieve your success.